Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today we're having a car meet. Yes, guys, hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome back everybody to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to give you guys an update. We're actually having a car meet this Sunday in Atlanta, Georgia. So if you're around the Atlanta, Georgia area, we're having a car meet at the same location. I should put up a picture here, but the location and the address will be 7500 Douglas Boulevard. It's a park and ride lot. That's where we went last time and we had no problems with police or anything like that. So I'm going to put the screen thing up and I'm going to put the location below so you guys can know if you could be able to make it on Sunday. Now, I've been looking at the weather. It seems like it might rain, it might not rain. But you know what? Rain or shine, I'm going to hold this meet between the hours of 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So if you can make it out this Sunday, July 18th, definitely make it there. All right? Cool. Also on top of that, add me at Boost in Motion on IG. Because you guys don't know anything before them. They know everything before it even gets to YouTube. Like, these guys know for like 3 weeks already. So if you want to follow your boy Boost, if you want to know updates and what's going on with the car, rather than waiting for it to get all clean and nice for YouTube, hit me up at Boost Motion on IG. Let's go over there. Alright, cool. Anyway, updates on the channel. At this current moment, for the Q60, which most of you guys love, as of right now, AAM Performance is coming out with their Flex Fuel Kit. It's probably already out. So if you guys want to check it, I'll put the link below if it is already out. But they have a Flex Fuel Kit for the Q50, Q60 platform. I'm probably going to do a detailed video. Hopefully I get my hands on it so I can go through it. But it should be a regular Flex Fuel Kit just like any other one. The only difference with this one is it would incorporate an actual gauge for you. So usually most of the Flex Fuel Kits use your phone through Bluetooth, so you can actually read it through the AccuTap app, or let's say like Spool Performance, they have their own app for it. In this case, you can read it on the AccuTap app, or you can read it on the gauge, which will be installed in the engine bay, just so that you can always have the cross-reference and making sure that there's no issues or errors. Alright, so that's pretty cool. The next update I can give you about the Q60, I don't know when I'm going to be able to start doing a couple of draggy runs, because with work, I'm a regular dude like y'all. I have a day job, and then whatever I can do stuff after work, I can. But in New York City, there's not really much places to do this type of stuff with car community. So it's very hard for me to get the time and space where it's safe to go to Mexico and do some drag runs and just see what this car can do, and or make it to a drag strip. You know, once again, I have a day job, so when the track is open, I'm at work, and when I'm off, I got shit to do. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. But also with the whole Flex Fuel Kit thing, if I do get the Flex Fuel Kit, I do want to do an E30 mix. If you guys haven't seen my dyno video or the dyno videos talking about that showed that Q50 he made about 485, almost 490 wheel before his belt popped. Guys, you gotta change your serpentine belt. Just on E30 mix, and I saw his dyno graph. It was really good compared to my 93 tune full bolt-on Q60, which did about 454. But if you look at both our dyno graphs, he was making about 30 or 40 more wheel horsepower from 5,500, about 5,000 RPM on. He's making consistent good power. So knowing that I'm going to be working with AAM Performance, and they're going to release this Flex Fuel Kit, all you really need is a Flex Fuel Kit, so you know that you're rating the proper amount of ethanol content. You can go with a low pressure fuel pump upgrade too, which is recommended, but some people haven't went and did that because they just didn't want to. And I can actually get the car retuned on E30. I feel more comfortable doing an E30 mix rather than E50 and E70, because E30 is not plentiful over here. That's number one. E85 is not plentiful. Two, when you do E30, you only put in about 3 to 4 gallons to a tank of 93, rather than E70, which is like That's which is about 12 gallons of E85 to 93. You see what I'm saying? And I'll get better fuel mileage on E30. So the cost benefit and the accessibility is what I'm really going for. So hopefully you can get that done. Another thing I'll throw out here, because you guys will never know, AAM is also coming out with their own intake system. And it looks very similar. I'm going to throw it out here. It's an enclosed unit, just like the AMS Performance intake. So hopefully I get my hands on that too. And I'm not going to show you guys because, you know. So AAM Performance is also coming out with their intake system too. So be on the lookout for that. Please hit the subscribe button with the bell notification. Hit all. Make sure, because you want to know what these parts are coming out first, okay? Wow. I also got to hit up. I have to hit up Mike Mixon. I have to hit Mike Mixon from Drop Air LLC, because it's July. He said it's supposed to be released this month, and it's been quiet. So I definitely got to let you guys know about that. You got to get an update on that. So hopefully I can get those answers to you within the next couple weeks. And in this month of July, I will be going on vacation soon. So I may not be able to answer some of you guys' IG messages and stuff like that. Or I might not be uploading a lot of videos. Hopefully I do. But it is what it is. But we're going to do what we can do with the month of July. It's going to be a pretty busy month for me. And I hope to see you guys in ATL. Also, check back on my Instagram or even my Facebook on boostinmotion on Facebook and boostinmotion@gmail.com, because I'm also going to try to hold a meet July 25th. July 25th back here in New York City in Long Island area. I haven't chose exactly where I'm going to do it yet. It's either going to be at All Out Motorworks, or it might just be some empty parking lot where it's a lot safe and quiet away from police and stuff. But we're going to try to do that within the New York City tri-state area, and we're going to try to hold a Brooklyn meet too. So that's some of the updates. The C63 is getting some work that's going to get done to it. Hopefully I can get it to my boy's shop at C63 Auto Body. There's a couple of paint defects and stuff like that that I don't like about the car, so I want to be able to just get that stuff fixed, and I want the front end to be a lot better. Because to be honest, guys, I never really told you, but I got the cheapest C63 in the nation. I just didn't tell you guys anything. Yes. So I got to make a video talking about that, because I just never chose to do it, because I want the car to be clean. And I want to make sure it's running right first, because, you know, everyone says AMG's unreliable, even though they got a closed deck V8 motor. It's closed deck motor. Did y'all guys even know that? Didn't know that, right? That's dope. So outside of that, guys, I'm bringing this video to a close. I appreciate you guys so much for always banging with your boy Boost. I definitely got to do some 0 to 60 runs in the CC3 and some draggy times too. Got to do that. And I'm calling out slow speed. I'm calling out a couple of people in the Q50, Q60 community that have a E50 or E70 stock turbo Q50, Q60, or even supercharged to race the C63. No infiniti versus infiniti stuff. But outside that, guys, we have good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. You have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.